the gardener and his girlfriend Rose.
Howdy, little gardeners. Well, I've been busy lately growing some potatoes, and today I'm going to dig some of them up.
Have you seen my hat, Gary?
No, I haven't.
Here, Gary, what's that behind your back?
Shh! I wanted to be Woody. Yee-haw, cowboy!
Give me my hat back, Gary! I will use my powers to arrest you!
Okay, Woody, here's your hat back. Wow, it looks better on you, Woody.
Yeehaw, cowboy! Howdy, partners! Hello, Mrs. Potato Head. Hello, Mrs. Potato Head. These are what they look like. Hooray!
Phew, this is hard work digging up all these potatoes, Freddie.
Yes, and we'll have loads to take to Chef Maurice. Hey!
Great, Freddie.
That fork looks very sharp and dangerous, Mrs. Potato.
No, he's getting very close to us, Mr. Potato.
Oh, there looks a couple of nice big potatoes there, Freddie.
Aye, they'll cook up nicely, Gary.
Oh, no. We're next.
Oh no, don't leave me, Mr. Potato. Gary, you've missed the other big potato.
Don't worry, Freddie. I'll get it now.
I wonder what happens next, Mr. Potato.
Okay, Freddie, let's take these potatoes off to Chef Maurice for him to cook.
What are you doing with the potatoes, Gary?
We are taking all these potatoes to Chef Maurice so he can make chips, mashed potatoes, jacket potatoes and roast potatoes for everyone's dinner. Hooray!
Oh, no. Help, Woody. Come and save us.
Please save us, Woody.
Stop, Gary! I will arrest you!
Oh no! But I gave you your hat back, Woody.
But Mr. and Mrs. Potato is my friend.
Toy potatoes? I've never heard of that variety before.
No, you can't eat them for your dinner. It's for kids for playing.
Oh no! Have I got it wrong again?
Yes, you have, Gary.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. I didn't mean to scare you. I'm going to give you back to Woody so you can play with all the children. By the way, why were you lying in the earth?
'Cause the children buried us there.
Thank you for giving them back, Gary. Yahoo, cowboy.
Okay, Freddie Falk, let's get these off to Chef Maurice so he can cook them up for our dinner.
Oh, no. Not again.
Please, no, not again.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Video.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose, they dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.